With AI, creating 3D animated stories for kids has become much simpler. I spent just 20 minutes putting together this animation. Check out the sneak peek of what we will make today.
Roma is in her small balcony garden in a busy city. She's watering her flowers with a happy expression. In the foreground, a shiny magical box is peeking out from under a flower pot. Roma opens the magical box, and her face lights up with wonder as tiny glowing birds with rainbow feathers start to flutter out. As the Roma played joyfully with the tiny birds, they danced and sang around her, turning her garden into a place of fun and laughter. Roma's heart was filled with happiness as she enjoyed the magics. They left behind a tiny special gift for Roma. She held the bag, knowing she would always remember this magical day and going to her bedroom with joy.
Stay tuned until the end to see the complete story. Please like and subscribe. I'll explore every aspect of the process, from scripting and creating 3D video on Canva to recording voiceovers and completing the final animation. I'll thoroughly show you each step, so let's dive in and get started. To start, we need a script for our 3D animation story for this tutorial. We'll use Chat GPT to help create it. Step 1. Open your Chat GPT account so we can craft a compelling 3D animation story together. In the Chat GPT message box, write the following. Give me a story of Roma who likes birds, flower and magic box and lives in urban city. Appropriate for per schooler for 2 minutes. Divide this story with 5 segments and give 5 corresponding scenes with appropriate AI image generate prompt. Chat GPT will provide you Roma's magical adventure story with prompt now. Copy the story and prompt and paste into Google Docs. Step 2. Create scene. We'll use Canva Magic Studio to bring this 3D animated story to life. Go to Videos, YouTube Video. Go to Magic Media. Add the first scene prompt here. Then copy the first scene prompt for ChatGPT scripts. Add paste here. Style choose here none. Choose aspect ratio 16:9 for landscape. And then click generate image. Give time to generate image. So this will generate for image here. Click on the 3 dots in this image. Click on generate video. It is failed now. Copy the text for first scene and paste on video section. Click on generate video. Make sure you add Pixar style 3D animation on your each prompt. Add this one here. Right click and set image as a background. Your video should look like this. Then make second scene. Click on the second video clip section. Go to video. Click on clear. Add second scene here. Copy the second scene. Paste on the box here. Generate video. Then add here. Set image as a background. Repeat the same steps to generate all remaining scene according to ChatGPT scripts. I'd like to regenerate the first video clip because I'm not satisfied with this image. Clear the prompt and add the first scene and generate again. In this stage your video should look like this. I generated here 6 3D animated clip for this Roma's magical adventure story. Click on download. Format MP4 and download files separately. Step 3. Recording the voiceover. Once the scripts and backgrounds are finalized, move on to the next step. Access Elevenlabs. Click on the provided website link in the description to access Elevenlabs. Sign up your account. This is the Elevenlabs interface. Choose your desired voice for story narrator. Open Google Docs and copy the dialogue for the introduction narrator. Input dialogue for first scene. Paste the copied dialogue into the Elevenlabs interface. Click Generate to create the voiceover for the selected dialogue.
Roma is in her small balcony garden in a busy city. She's watering her flowers with a happy expression. In the foreground, a shiny, magical box is peeking out from under a flower pot.
Click on Download from here. Then go to Google Docs again to copy the second scene. Then go to Elevenlabs again and remove the first scene and paste the second scene. Click on Generate.
Roma opens the magical box, and her face lights up with wonder as tiny glowing birds with rainbow feathers start to flutter out.
Download the audio clip. Repeat the steps to generate and download the voiceovers for all scenes. On Roma's magical adventure story. Step 4. Editing video on CapCut. Now time to edit the video on CapCut software. Bring all the clips into timeline. Then bring the first 3D animated scene according to the storyline. Then bring the first scene audio narrator voiceover generated through Elevenlabs.
Roma is in her small balcony garden in a busy city. She's watering her flowers.
I need to reduce the clip speed to match with dialogues. Speed. Add a second clip and add corresponding voiceover. Move second clip. Reduce speed of second clip. Then add third 3D video clip and corresponding voiceover and repeat the whole steps for complete the whole story for Roma. Go to Stickers. Add magical box. According to scene, while Roma was guarding, she found one magical box will be appeared here. Add animation in. I will add one more sticker here. To enhance the authenticity of the scene, I will add few more stickers here according to this storyline. Add sound effects. Go to audio and then go to sound effects. Choose the sound effects according to scene. I like this one, so I am adding this one. Add transition. Go to transition. You can choose any transition according to your choice. Go to filters. Choose movies. Add this one. Add effects. Add auto caption. Go to text and choose auto caption and click on generate. Wait to complete the whole process. Once the caption generate complete, let's move to design your caption. From right hand side, choose any template you liked. Click on Export. Let's see the final outcome of the Roma's magical adventure.
Roma is in her small balcony garden in a busy city. She's watering her flowers with a happy expression. In the foreground, a shiny magical box is peeking out from under a flower pot. Roma opens the magical box, and her face lights up with wonder as tiny glowing birds with rainbow feathers start to flutter out. As the tiny birds fluttered around, the city seemed to change. Roma's flowers grew even more vibrant, making her balcony garden look like a magical paradise. Roma played joyfully with the tiny birds. They danced and sang around her, turning her garden into a place of fun and laughter. Roma's heart was filled with happiness as she enjoyed the magical company and her friend Tina playing guitar. As the day came to an end, the magical birds returned to the box. They left behind a tiny special gift for Roma. She held the bag, knowing she would always remember this magical day, and going to her bedroom with joy.
See you in next tutorial. Thanks for watching.